All right, well, welcome to the next mission report. Did you see this post? It's actually right here. I'm recording it on my screen. And the question is, does your brand relate to your target audience? Is what we're talking about on today's mission report. Welcome and enjoy. The next mission report. I'm Norman Kinsey with LiftoffAgent, and the mission report is designed to give you weekly advice, quick tips on very specific ways as you, a realtor, can grow, scale, and automate your business using online marketing techniques. This is things that you could do to literally leverage your past efforts to continuously be able to bring you in more business. Now, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna take you over to this screen right now that we're recording on my MacBook Pro. And we wanna go ahead and show you a post that we just posted. And if you saw this post, we just posted 2 days ago. It says, does your brand relate to your target audience? If you didn't already read it, I'm gonna read it to you right now. And is it authentic, creative, and does it make a personal, emotional connection? So we wanna go ahead and show you some examples of a couple different ways that real estate professionals are making a connection with their target audience using a brand. So let's go ahead and check out Jeff Katz. These are all clients of LiftoffAgent. Here's Jeff Katz, and Jeff Katz is basically jeffkatzhomes.com. That's his website address. If you go to his page, that's a meeting notification, sorry about that. You go to his page, it says helping families find the right senior living opportunities. So this is going to be, or should I say options, this is going to be his website. His target demographic is senior living. Now, if we go to the next one, you have Vivian Sells Cali. Well, Vivian Sells Cali gives you an automatic understanding that she serves California. And then it says full service team helping Bay Area families find their next home. So it gets a little bit more targeted as far as she works with families in the Bay Area is her target demographic. Now, if we go to the next different website example here, you'll see here it says East Bay expert serving Livermore, Pleasanton, Dublin, San Ramon, and Danville. So you see Teresa Hartford is really starting to get a little bit more focused on her approach on who she is serving and saying that, hey, I'm an expert in the local East Bay area of Livermore, Pleasanton, Dublin, San Ramon, and also Danville. Now let's go to the next one. The next example is going to be Leslie Fott, and Leslie Fott says here, let's find a buyer for your home and find a home for you to buy. That's a pretty cool tagline, and she definitely is looking to give a little bit more of a personal touch to her brand. So I know a lot of real estate professionals that use the brand of, say, Keller Williams or eXp Realty and what have you, which is completely fine, but why not get hyper-local focus on, say, maybe you want to be a senior specialist and maybe you want to touch and you want to help families find the right senior options, right? You're working with maybe the children of someone that's a senior, and also, hey, you want to work in California? Finds fantastic. So why don't you have Sells Cali in your brand? And it specifically says here that Vivian focuses on sellers. That's who she really wants to focus on, and she really wants to focus on the East Bay serving families. So how can Vivian put out more content that's going to target that demographic so she can have more success with that process? And then if you look here, Teresa Hartford, your East Bay expert servicing Livermore, Pleasanton, Dublin, San Ramon, and Danville. So how could you specifically niche down in an area, like these are a couple of areas that she's looking at, to really be able to be an area specialist is what I take from this brand. And last but not least, Leslie Fott really wants to connect with that emotional connection, as we talked about at the beginning of our mission report, saying, hey, let's find a buyer for your home and let's find a home for you to buy. So she wanted to have that connection. So we hope you enjoyed today's mission report. If you did, please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, like it, subscribe, and comment below with what was helpful with today's video. If you do those things, we give out a custom startup program absolutely free on a quarterly basis, and it's about time for us to select a next one. And then if you go to liftoffagent.com, did you know that you can drop down the resources tab? You can find out your exposure grade for free at liftoffagent.com. You can also find find out your strategy questionnaire. We go over some goals and we ask you some questions, and you can find out what you're doing and what you're not doing. And that ties in with us doing an online strategy meeting if you fill that out. And last but not least, we have our mission reports that now come out every single Thursday. This is our brand new report, a little bit of a different approach, as we want to always add additional value to everyone that comes to the Liftoff Agent social media, website, YouTube, LinkedIn. It doesn't matter where you find us. It's our intention to set the industry standard and make sure we have great content and great resources that you could use to grow, scale, and automate your business from an online marketing standpoint. Thank you so much for tuning in. Happy Thursday. Make it a fantastic 3-day Labor Day weekend, and we're here for you and your business. Liftoffagent.com. Take advantage of these resources, whether it's exposure grade, strategy questionnaire, online demo with us, and or just keep on tuning into these mission reports for more great content. We'll see you next week. Thanks for tuning in, and we appreciate your continued support. If you found value from today's mission report, please do us a favor and give it a thumbs up, like the video, hit the subscribe button, and hit that notification bell, and you will be notified for videos coming out in the future, and you will be entered in to win the next startup program, which we give them out on a quarterly basis. Thank you so much. Appreciate you. Best of luck carrying out your mission, and we'll see you on the next mission report.